Hey everyone! So here's the recipe to this chicken and dumplings, and it's 2 servings. You will need eggs, chicken breast, either fully cooked like I got there or regular chicken breast that you cook, almond flour, celery, riced cauliflower, heavy whipping cream, pink salt, pepper, oregano flakes, chicken bouillon, and then you will need a pot, a cookie sheet, a bowl for mixing with a fork, parchment paper, a 1-cupper, a 3rd-cupper, a tablespoon, and a teaspoon. Preheat the oven to 400, and then let's line our cookie sheet with our parchment paper, and then we're going to get our ingredients ready for our little dumplings. You'll need 1 cup of almond flour, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of the chicken bouillon in the powder form, and then give it a good stir. And then we're going to shape these out into 6 balls. Now they're a little bit hard to shape them, so just be careful, a little bit sticky. Then stick it into the oven, and you're going to cook for 8 minutes. While that's cooking, let's start our soup. We're going to turn it on a heat a little higher than medium. We're going to add 4 cups of water to your pot, a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. Then we're going to cook our chicken breast in the microwave. That was frozen and it's fully cooked. So just heat it in the microwave, and I did 2 servings for 3 minutes. Then while that's cooking, let's wash up our celery. I did 2 stalks, and then you're going to chop it up into bite-sized pieces. And go ahead and throw it into your soup mix. And then throw the whole bag of the cauliflowered rice. Just do it frozen. Throw it right into your mixture. Your chicken should be ready now. Cut it up into bite-sized pieces and throw that into your pot. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of the chicken bouillon powder form, or 2 cubes. Then we're going to add heavily pink salt, light pepper, light oregano flakes. And we're going to give this a good stir. And then we're going to turn it on a heat almost to a boil. And we're going to let it come to a boil. You'll see right here. Once it's boiling like that, then we're going to turn it to a simmer. We're going to put a cover on it, and we're going to let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. During that time, your biscuits will be ready, or your little dumplings. Pull that out, let them cool off. Then go ahead and serve up. I said it makes 2 servings. Each one gets 3 of those. You're going to cut them up into bite-sized pieces and then throw it into your soup when you're ready to eat. Let it cool off just a little bit. Let them soak in there. And boy, this was delicious. At only 7.5 net carbs for that whole bowl there. Definitely try this meal out. I was amazed at how good it was. Definitely tasted like chicken and dumplings. And everybody, keep it keto.